What's up guys, thank you. So wireless headphones and earbuds have been gaining popularity for a while now, mostly thanks to the Apple's AirPods. In a bid to capitalize on this trend, HMD Global announced the Nokia True Wireless Earbuds last year. Now these earbuds are finally available for purchase in India. So HMD Global has priced the Nokia True Wireless Earbuds at Rs 9,999. In comparison, Apple's AirPods are available for purchase around Rs 11,999. The Nokia True Wireless Earbuds are ultra lightweight, weighing in at just 5 grams per earbud. HMD Global also bundles the charging case along with the earbuds, allowing you to carry and charge the earbuds in the case when not in use. The case is cylindrical and measures 100 by 22 mm. According to the company, the Nokia True Wireless Earbuds are rated for a talk time of up to 4 hours and a standby time of 70 hours. The case, when fully charged, can charge the earbuds fully up to 3 times, giving you a total talk time of up to 12 hours. The case has a USB Type-C port and HMD Global's a USB Type-C cable in the box. Additionally, the box also includes 3 pairs of earbuds in small, medium and large sizes.